Hello everyone, this is China K-Size. Today, we would like to introduce an online nitrite sensor, KWS-280. The KWS-280 sensor probe is manufactured based on a PVC membrane nitrite ion selective electrode and integrates an internal temperature compensation function with a measurement accuracy of up to plus or minus 5%. This sensor is suitable for online nitrite monitoring in industries such as aquaculture, wastewater treatment, and food processing. In terms of communication, the KWS-280 adopts an RS-485 interface and supports the Modbus RTU protocol, enabling easy connection with PLCs, industrial control computers, 4GDTUs, and other devices to achieve remote data acquisition and system integration. The video will simultaneously display the detailed parameter table of this product for your reference. Installation and wiring. The KWS-280 sensor is equipped with one threaded interface at the top and one at the bottom. The top thread specification is 3/4 NPT, which is used for fixing and installing the sensor body. The bottom thread is mainly used for installing a sensor protective sleeve, enhancing the protection of the probe under complex working conditions. The sensor supports multiple installation methods, including submersible installation, top mounting, pipeline installation, and sidewall installation. Please note that the sensor must not be installed upside down or horizontally. During wiring, a 4-core twisted shielded cable is used. The wiring definition is as follows. Red: connect to 12 to 24 VDC power positive. Black: connect to power ground, GND. Blue: connect to RS-485A. White: connect to RS-485B. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed to prevent water ingress from affecting normal operation. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed, and the user cables should have adequate corrosion resistance. Power on. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. Next, I will demonstrate how to use Modbus commands to read the sensor address and measurement values. The sensor's default communication parameters are baud rate 9600, 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, and no parity. If the sensor address is unknown in advance, it can be obtained through software polling. Open the software. Select the serial port. Click Open. And then click Find to query the sensor address. The detected address is 17, which is a decimal address. In the same software, data can also be read directly. Click Read, and you can see that the corresponding hexadecimal address of the sensor is 0 by 11. Next, use the hexadecimal address to send Modbus function codes to read the measurement data. According to the product manual, the sensor's measurement value and temperature data are stored in the 0x00 register, occupying 4 registers. Using the obtained sensor address 0 by 11, enter the command 11030000004. Open the serial port window and click Send. The sensor returns the following data: 00500300B10001. Here, 0005 represents the measurement value. 0003 represents the number of decimal places for the measurement value. Next, convert the data. Open the calculator and select hex mode. Convert 05 to decimal, which equals 5. With 3 decimal places, the measurement value is 0.005. For the temperature data, 00B, 1 represents the temperature value. 0001 represents the number of decimal places for the temperature. Convert hexadecimal B1 to decimal, which equals 177, with 1 decimal place. The temperature is 17.7 degrees Celsius. After watching, for more product details or model options, please contact us via our official email or phone number. We understand your needs.